Now, let's get into why I decided to start Where's London. First of all, y'all know me. I am a viral DJ on TikTok, very sought after DJ in the Atlanta area for all types of private events. That's like weddings, graduations, birthday parties, things of that sort. I'm also a well established music producer. I have a lot of music on TV shows, networks, movies, commercials, things that you've seen. I have music in and I get paid for that. That's called sync licensing. So those are the two main things that I do as far as revenue streams for my business. But I was like, I need to find something else to do because DJing, as much as I love to do it, I don't see me doing that like well into my 40s. And sync licensing is great as well, but that's like up and down. So I was trying to figure out something else I could add as a revenue stream to my business, but I wanted it to feel more fun and something that I just actually like to do that wouldn't feel as much like work as some of the other things that I do. Hence, I love to travel. So I was like, why don't I just start documenting my trips? I'm always going somewhere anyway. Maybe I could turn this into a travel series and try to build up my YouTube channel. And the reason why I went with travel content is because, well, there's a few different reasons. One, like I've been hearing that YouTube is the place to be. Yes, I'm very successful on TikTok, but like I keep hearing YouTube pays the most. It's the most consistent. It never changes. TikTok changes their algorithm, their rules, their payouts, all of that. And that is true. I have experienced like a difference in TikTok, especially since there was that TikTok ban. So they're like, YouTube is the place to go. And I know people who have a lot of success on YouTube. So I started posting, DJ mixes, beats, my podcast / radio show, stuff like that onto my YouTube channel. And that's how I started building up my subscribers. But I quickly realized like, I am not going to be able to monetize the DJ content on my YouTube channel because I don't own the music. So I need to figure out a way to create content that I'll be able to monetize on YouTube and also be able to get brand deals from. What's something else I really like to do? Traveling. So boom, here we are. I decided to start a travel content series entitled Where is London? Because I always go somewhere and people be like, dang, you be everywhere. Where you been? So I just figured, let's call it Where's London?